Today I'm going to show you how to prepare instant healthy salads. It's like Salads 101. Here's a guide to all the ingredients that a salad needs. How would you like to never ever again have to think of your daily vegetable intake? Okay, today you're going to learn how to do it. A basic salad has 5 parts. The leafy greens, the energizers, which are basically fruit. The amount of fruit we add should be about a half a cup, no more. And legumes, where we can add about a fourth of a cup. The phytonutrients, which are basically all vegetables with lots of colors and delicious taste. And the antioxidants. In the antioxidant group, we have delicious nuts, seeds, and oils, which should be eaten in small quantities. Last but not least, delicious vinegar or lime juice to flavor the rest of your salad. Cruciferous vegetables are amazing. They are great to eat before carbs. So add cruciferous leafy greens to your salad, other leafy greens too, and raw vegetables. Any mix will work. Just add the ones that you like and make it colorful and fun. There's no exact recipe for a salad, so make yours, enjoy it, and eat it at every meal, lunch and dinner. See you on Mondays.